Hey there, this is Darren Gross. I just wanted to take a second and make clear for those that are in the uh, business of lending money or have the need to get an evidence of property insurance from a borrower. Um, there are multiple forms in insurance that provide proof of insurance. Depending on what type of insurance you're in need of, will dictate which form. Most people are familiar with the certificate of liability. If you are a lender and you have a lien against a property, the certificate of liability is not necessarily what you're probably looking for, but more of the evidence of property insurance, which protects the structure and will protect your interest should damage occur to the property. So here's a quick look at an evidence of property insurance. You'll note on the top it says property insurance, evidence of property insurance. There's the date the certificate is issued. Down below here you have the agency, which is usually the producer, the actual insurance agent information. To the right of that would be the company, which is the carrier, the actual insurance company. Down below we have the insured. Now this is going to be the borrower, the person or the company or individual who's borrowed money. There'll be their name, address, all their contact information. Here's your loan number. And then this is their policy number with the insurance company, effective dates of coverage from and expiration date. And if it replaces a previous one, sometimes you might get a binder at closing and then you get an actual policy once the policy is issued. Down below, you're going to have property information, the actual location, 123 Main Street. Coverage information. Here's where you're going to get your limits and your deductibles and the description of the property coverage. So if you've got a building and the building will actually say building coverage, it'll tell you the perils. Typically, you want special form, the limit that you require in the loan, and the deductible. If you have another line of coverage, such as earthquake, there could be another line of earthquake coverage, the amount of coverage, and the deductible. If there's any special remarks about the coverage, special conditions, this is the place for the certificate issuer to provide those instructions. Additional interest. This is where you, the lender, are listed. Your name, your address, if you're a mortgagee, loss payee, or an additional insured, obviously you can be an additional insured. Loan number, and then this is the signature of the certificate issuing party, typically the agent or somebody within the insurance agency for the borrower. Hope this helps. If you have any questions, reach out, give me a call. You can email me at darren@jdarrengross.com.